Oh, you with mommy here. Okay. Ah, good boy. And Isra is not never in my life. I'm a woman, but I live in a place women can have education and they can do anything by themselves. So it's not my business.